appshadow.com. Today I'm here with the Project Planner app. Project Planner is an app that will allow you to keep track of all your various projects, keep them on schedule and such. As you can see, the main menu offers several different options. The top one up here, you can go and view all your projects. As you can see, I've got a couple entered in here already. If you want to edit the ones that you have or add new ones, all you got to do is just touch the edit button up here to edit them. This will allow you to delete them, or you can also do that by swiping and doing a delete. To add a new project, just touch the plus button in the bottom left corner. You'll be given some information to fill out. Once you're done with that, you just hit save and the project will appear on your main screen. To edit these projects, all you got to do is just touch one of them and you'll be taken here. It'll show you the detailed information about it. Just hit the edit button, and then when you touch any of the entry fields, it'll bring up the option to edit that one. So simple enough. When you're editing, when you're viewing information on a project, you've got several options down here on the menu at the bottom of the screen. Tasks brings up a list of tasks under that particular project. This one doesn't have any, but this one does. See, there's the task under that project. You can also edit those individual tasks, set it to be more complete or less complete, change times or names or anything. You can also delete tasks off easily from here. The other options down here on the menu, you've got a copy option, which if you touch that, will create a copy of that entry. So again, you can delete just like that. And also down here at the bottom, you've got the option to view the Gantt project list for that particular entry. You can also export this list to either a Gantt format or just a regular PDF format, and then email that away. Nice and simple. So that's how that works. Down here in the main projects menu, you have a list of preferences down here. This just basically sorts it by a variety of different things, should you choose to do so. Going back to the main menu, active tasks shows tasks that you're currently working on and projects that are currently undergoing, so you can view all of them in one place. The Gantt chart shows all of your current projects, and then you can select whichever projects you want and create a Gantt chart from them, which can then be viewed by day, by week, or by month. You have export and import options. These allow you to send your project out in a variety of formats: PDF, PNG, image file, or a Gantt file. All you got to do is select the projects you want to export and hit export. It will generate all the files that you chose, and you can send that out by mail, or you can send it out over Wi-Fi, which the way you do that is just go to this address on your computer, on your local network, and download the files right off. Hit stop when you're done. Down at the very bottom, we have a list of preferences. This isn't real complicated, just a few basic options. The about just kind of tells you about the app. Pin here, you can enter in a pin and nobody will be able to get in and view the information unless you set it. So just like that. Oh, you got to turn it on. So just like that. So now when I go to access my information later, I have to enter in that PIN in order to unlock. So just like that. Go ahead and turn that back off. And then you got your default calendar options and option to configure what types of information will be included in the PDF when you export to it. So all in all, the app is pretty thorough, especially if you are using Gantt projects for any reason and you'd like to be able to view those in a mobile format or even edit those. This seems like it could do the job. It's $2.99 in the App Store right now. As always, if you have any other questions or comments or want to know anything about the app, feel free to leave a comment or send me a message on YouTube or on the full review at appshatter.com. There'll be a link to that in the bottom. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view this review. Have a great day.